Hey everybody, Shawn from Silicon Theory here, and as you can see, we have the new LG G7 ThinQ in-house. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing. I managed to pull off all of the retail wrapping already and give it a quick once-over on the inside so that you can take a look at what you're getting if you decide that you want to buy this device. So just a quick reminder that this device is not available for sale yet. It's supposed to be coming out a little bit later on this spring, at least to Verizon, T-Mobile, and Sprint. Sprint so far is the only ones who've announced an actual launch date. You should see the pre-orders go up around May 24th, May 25th, and Verizon and T-Mobile a little bit later on this spring. Now AT&T is not going to be carrying the G7 ThinQ. They're going to be partnering with LG for a very carrier-specific brand, which not a huge fan of, but you know, it is what it is. So anyways, if you decide that this is the phone for you, then this is what you'll get in the box. Let's take a look. So first up, on the inside, you see we have this very nice branded LG cleaning cloth, and then the device itself. Put this over here for just a moment, and then as you can see, we've still got in the box the SIM tool, looks like, and then the USB dongle, and then the actual charger brick itself. LG puts the USB connection on the side, which is really nice, so I like that a lot. And if I'm not mistaken, yep, nothing else on the inside. So that is that. Now, the device itself has the new 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio. So as you can see, it's really kind of tall and skinny. On the one side, we've got the dedicated Google Assistant button, and then the volume rockers top and bottom. On the back, we've got fingerprint sensor, and then dual camera array, and then the flash, obviously, the G7 ThinQ branding. And then on this side, we've got the power button. So top has just the SIM tray, and then the bottom has the new boombox speaker. See if I can get that a little better view there. The USB-C charging port, microphone, and then the 3.5mm headphone jack. So let's power this bad boy on and see what we get. So you have the new G7 ThinQ boot animation, and then it should light up just a moment, and powered by Android. So as you can see, we don't necessarily see the notched portion of the display up front. I'll launch this up, and LG's launch screen asks you which you want to use of the new second screen, and then you can choose to have it on where you see the notch or have it off. So once again, you can activate the notch, which gives you a little bit more real estate, or if you want the cleaner look like I prefer, you can just choose yes. So we'll go ahead and go on and connect, and we'll set it up as a fresh phone. Check for updates. Now while it's doing that, you'll see that the notch cutout is still there, which is kind of weird, but it's going to check for info, and then it should boot up. So this is the part where you would normally enter in your login information, and you'll be all set. So that's pretty much it. That's the unboxing of the LG G7 ThinQ. We're going to have some more information in the coming days, so make sure you stay tuned here to the Silicon Theory channel on YouTube. You can find all of our content at silicontheory.com. Follow us on social. We are at Silicon Theory on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And thanks for watching. And as always, remember, we will talk tech soon.